I was 3 months away from quitting e-commerce completely. Not because I couldn't find products, because my software bill was eating my entire profit margin. I sat down and actually added up what I was paying every single month, tool by tool. And the number shocked me. ChatGPT Plus, $20, a spy tool, $50, a premium Shopify theme, $250, analytics and AI creation tools, another $100. That's $400 a month before I'd even made a single sale. That's exactly the wall I hit, until someone in a dropshipping group mentioned luxury tools. My first reaction? Skepticism. A subscription that gives you 25 plus premium tools for $29.95 a month sounds like a scam. So I tested it myself for 2 months before making this video. Luxury Tools built a private browser system with automatic login for every tool. There's no password sharing and no waiting in line. You open the browser, click the app you want, and you're in within seconds. And it's not just a random collection of tools. It's organized into 4 categories that actually matter for e-commerce: AI tools for research and content like ChatGPT Pro and Claude; spy tools for finding winning products like AdSpy and ShopHunter; analytics platforms like SimilarWeb; and AI creation tools for ads and content like Canva Pro and CapCut, with many more included. I'm not the only one. Side, a TikTok dropshipper, hit a $9,000 day using these tools. Zaka said he was wasting money on individual subscriptions for his first 5 months in ecom. Within a month of joining Luxury Tools, he had his best performing store yet, and Gregory scaled his store past 6 figures, calling it the best investment he's made in e-commerce. Over 300 verified reviews, average rating above 4.8 stars, and more than 2,000 active members. Now, I'll be honest with you, because that's the only way this review means anything. It's not flawless. Some users reported occasional lag or brief logouts during peak hours, and access is limited to 1 device at a time. But when you compare that against what you'd normally pay, this is still a fraction of the cost, and their support team responds within minutes, not days. Let's put it side by side. Buying these tools separately, over $400 a month. Luxury Tools, $29.95 a month. That's not a small discount. That's saving over $3,500 a year, according to their own numbers, which honestly lines up with what I calculated myself. If you're tired of bleeding money on subscriptions before you even launch a product, the link is in the description. Try it. And if it's not for you, you'll know within a week. Subscribe if you want more breakdowns like this.